Hi all, welcome to a channel Confidence with Adindam and Anita. Let me tell you something very honestly. And if you are someone who thinks your English is weak, this story may change your life. There was a time in my life when I could not speak a single sentence in English confidently. In fact, I was also detained 2 hours after class just because I could not speak English. Everyone else went home and I sat there alone, embarrassed, silent, ashamed. But that moment, that painful moment, changed my life forever. I come from a very ordinary background. I completed my schooling from small school. To be honest, people used to make fun of that school. They used to say, if you don't get admission anywhere else, you go there. Yes, that was the reputation of the school, and on the top of that, I studied in Bengali medium. English was never a language we spoke at home. It was just a subject we somehow passed in exams, nothing more. Then in 2001, I joined BTech, and suddenly my whole world flipped. Because now everything was in English, books, lectures, literature, your assignments, exams, everything. For someone coming from Bengali medium, it was felt like this to me. Imagine a person who has only knows how to swim in a small pond in his entire life, and suddenly someone throws him into the middle of the ocean. No training, no experience, just survive. That was me. In my first semester, I honestly believed I'm going to fail in every subject. But somehow, by God's grace and hard work of mine, I managed to complete my BTech, and surprisingly with good grades. But the real battle was still waiting for me. I decided I wanted to go abroad, so I enrolled in an institute to prepare for IELTS exam. And that is where my confidence completely shattered, because the students they are coming from the schools, big schools, so they speak effortlessly, fluently, confidently and naturally. But for me, it was felt like a tiny mouse sitting among lions. Every time someone spoke, I felt smaller and smaller. Our teacher used to give cue cards. That's a topic and you will have 1 week to prepare for it. So I did more struggling students too. I wrote the answer in English, then I memorized every single line. Next week in class, I would stand up and deliver it perfectly. I felt proud and I thought my English is improving. But in reality, I was just memorizing and vomiting sentences. Then one day, something happened. I stood up to speak. I started confidently, but suddenly I just forgot one line. Only one. And within seconds, everything disappeared. My mind went blank, completely blank. That day I understood one painful truth. Memorizing English is not real English. Now my teacher changed the rule. No more cue cards, no more preparations. Now he would suddenly say, you have 2 minutes to think and then speak on a topic instantly. That was impromptu speaking. For many students, those who are sitting with me, it was a fun. But for me, it was a nightmare. Because most of the time, I had nothing to say. I sat there quietly, where everyone else spoke. Then came the day that I never forget. The teacher gave a topic. One by one, everyone spoke beautifully. Everyone, except me. I sat there silent. The teacher looked at me and asked, you stay back. Class ended at 6 pm. Everyone packed their bags. Everyone went home. But I stayed, trying to speak, trying again, but nothing came out. Finally, I was allowed to leave at 8 pm. For the first time in my life, I felt deep humiliation. But the worst part, it was waiting for me. It didn't happen once. It started happening every week. Every week, everyone left at 6 pm. I stayed back, silent, embarrassed, powerless. One night I went home and I asked myself one question. Do I really deserve this? That night I cried a lot, but something powerful happened inside me. That pain turned into determination. And I made promise to myself, a powerful promise. I'll break this English barrier, no matter how hard it is, no matter how long it takes, but I'll do it like a warrior. From that day, I stopped behaving like a victim and I started behaving like a warrior. I surrounded myself with English music, English movies, English news, English conversations every single day. English stopped feeling like an enemy to me, and slowly it became a friend to me. Then one morning, something unbelievable happened. I was speaking with someone. I suddenly realized I was speaking fluently. No memorizing, no translating, no fear. The thing that once looked impossible to me, it has become I am possible. Eventually, I scored band 7 in English in IELTS speaking. I became BEC certified, and today I am a public speaking trainer, helping people overcome that same fear that once controlled my life. So if you think you are weak in English, let me tell you something. Your school does not decide your future. Your medium of education does not decide your future. But your determination is. Always remember, if there is a will, there is always a way. And if you truly want something, you will always find another way. Because hard work never goes to waste. It always comes back to, and that is a story of a Bengali medium student, a real story of mine, who once could not speak in English, but today helps others to find their voice. If you are coming from a regional medium school, comment yes below. I want to see how many warriors are watching this today. If you like our videos, please do subscribe to our channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever we post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you so much for being with us till the end of the video. Thank you.